Hello and welcome to today's instructional video. In this video, we will be solving the integer exponent problem, 8 raised to the power of 2. Stay tuned to learn how to simplify this expression step by step. Let's get started. First, let's recall what the expression 8 raised to the power of 2 really means. 8 raised to the power of 2 is written as 8 squared. When we say 8 squared, we mean 8 multiplied by itself one time. So the expression 8 squared can be altered and rewritten as 8 times 8. This transformation is based on the fundamental definition of exponents, where the exponent tells us how many times to use the base, which is 8 in this case, as a multiplier with itself. So 8 squared becomes 8 times 8. Now for step 2, we need to actually perform the multiplication. Recall from the previous step that 8 squared translates to 8 multiplied by itself, which we rewrote as 8 times 8. In this step, we carry out the multiplication of 8 and 8. Let's go ahead and multiply 8 by 8, which means finding the total when 8 is taken 8 times. So 8 times 8 equals 64. This multiplication converts the expression into a simpler form. Therefore, 8 squared, which was originally written as 8 raised to the power of 2, simplifies to 64. This is the final step, and the simplest fraction form of the expression 8 squared is 64 over 1. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.